And I think it's safe to say that this platform's certainly not going anywhere. It's only building up steam and momentum. And if your music isn't featured within the platform, I would highly recommend looking at that. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So let's get to it. What's going on, guys? Adam Ivy, sellmusic.com, here to help you go further, faster in your music career by sharing proven marketing techniques and strategies that are going to help you transform that passion for making music and turn it into a legitimate business that's going to provide you with freedom and fulfillment. Two of the most important things in life in general. Now, I think this channel is long overdue for a quick how-to, so let's jump into it. All right, so one question that I've been getting a lot of lately is how to market and promote your music using TikTok. Now, if you don't know what TikTok is, it's a mobile app where people can create and share short clips, about 15 seconds long, with music in the background. In fact, that song Old Town Road, that I'm sure you've heard by this point, by Lil Nas X, found its initial audience and took off into a viral hit using TikTok. Now, side note, that record to this day is the longest running #1 single in history. So I'd say that TikTok has massive potential as a platform to share your music. Now, the #1 question that I'm getting about TikTok is, how do I get my music in the TikTok music library? And that's a damn good question. Having your music searchable and shareable within the platform is how it all starts. So when it comes to getting exposure on TikTok, this is where we need to start. Now, luckily, it's super easy to get your music in TikTok as an independent music creator using my favorite distribution service, DistroKid, if you didn't guess that already. Now, I've broken down why I think DistroKid is hands down the best option for music creators, but this new TikTok feature really adds to my love for their platform. Now, side note, if you haven't yet and want to sign up for DistroKid, you can get a pretty considerable discount by going to distrodiscount.com, where you could sign up for less than 20 bucks a year, or like 5 cents a day. Anyway, guys, getting your music into TikTok is free for all DistroKid members, and it's super easy to do, which I'm going to show you here in a second. But if you're just uploading brand new music, all you got to do is select the TikTok checkbox when you're uploading your music. That's it. But if you already have music uploaded through DistroKid, it's super easy to get on TikTok as well. Now, to be completely transparent with you, I'm signed up with DistroKid as a Musicians Plus member. It's like the next one up from the starter package, I guess, the basic regular package. And so if something I show you in this tutorial doesn't look exactly the same, that's why. But the steps are the same. Just wanted to make sure that's clear. Now, if you want to know the differences between the different membership plans, on their website, they break all that down. Now, I'm going to throw a satire song called Bitcoin that I did last year up on TikTok to show you how it's done. Just sign into DistroKid, click your album or single, click Add to More Stores, choose TikTok, and click Add. If you don't see TikTok here, it's actually a good thing, because it means that you already opted in when you uploaded your music and it's already been added. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. Now, I'm hoping that this shorter video got you to the answer on how to get your music into TikTok a little bit quicker. If you'd like me to do more marketing specific videos on how to utilize TikTok as a marketing platform within your marketing strategy, let me know about that in the comments below. Let me know if you're already using TikTok, or if you're a member of DistroKid, what you think about it. And don't forget, if you're not, distrodiscount.com for a killer deal on your DistroKid membership, and I'll have that in the description box below. Now, speaking of killer deal, check the video right here to take your marketing strategy and marketing know-how to the next level. And yes, that video is 100% free. Now, if you haven't yet, click on that little subscribe button and then smash the bell icon to be notified first every time I upload a video just like this. I'd love for you to come connect with me over on Instagram at Adam Ivy. And until next time, I appreciate you watching.